Welcome to Maya Stone Calendar tutorial. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate how to use Mayan calendar as an alarm clock. Let's try to set alarm for a particular date in the future. Tap on the time button. Press button with date on it and set the time. When done, you can see a little seashell right next to time button. Tap the time button again and verify date and time of the alarm. Let's set the calendar for today's date. Press the time button and you can see that the alarm still remembers previous setting. To disable the alarm, press disable button. Set the alarm just about 1 minute into the future. When you stop the alarm, calendar will announce current date in Mayan language. Almost everybody knows about December 21, 2012. We do not want to miss the great event. Let's change calendar date to December 20, 2012. Now we can set alarm for 11:55 p.m. We don't want to oversleep the end of the world. Thank you for watching.